So this is my latest creation. It is a steampunk lamp slash clock. And as you can see, I get really bored. Background is from some scaffolding, all steel pipes, real gauges. I paint them and distort them to make them look old and antique-ish. The gears are all solid steel, real. Got a little pirate lock, valves, everything. A lot of it is industrial piping that I work with, and old stuff that they're gonna throw away gets donated to my art. See, I got a big chain right there. I do have this on a dimmer. See, I can make it bright or really low, which I like to keep it at about right there. The border has the TV light strip on it. I think it just adds to it. So, hope you guys like it. There's a toggle switch right here. Hope you guys like it. Drop a comment or a like. I'd appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Peace.